Lamborghini is preparing to bid farewell to its iconic V10 engine with the end of Huracan production. However, the Italian automaker is not stepping back from creating thrilling engines. Recently, Lamborghini unveiled the first details of the twin-turbo V8 that will power the Huracan Successor, promising impressive performance and innovation. At the heart of this new engine is a 4.0-liter displacement, capable of reaching a red line of 10,000 revolutions per minute, a remarkable figure for any engine, especially a turbocharged one. This places it in an elite group of high-revving engines, including those from Mercedes-AMG, Aston Martin, and Gordon Murray Automotive. The new V8 delivers an astounding 789 horsepower between 9,000 and 9,750 revolutions per minute and 538 pounds-foot of torque, from 4,000 to 7,000 revolutions per minute. One of the standout features of this engine is its flat-plane crankshaft configuration, a first for Lamborghini. This design, combined with a hot-vee setup, where the turbochargers are positioned between the cylinder banks, ensures optimal performance and efficiency. The engine is also dry-sumped for reliable lubrication in all driving conditions and features direct fuel injection. To achieve such high revs, Lamborghini has utilized lightweight titanium connecting rods and rigid finger followers instead of traditional bucket and shim tappets. This valve train setup, common in racing engines and sport bikes, is also used by Ferrari, Porsche, and Ford in some of their high-performance engines. Incorporating advanced hybrid technology similar to that in the new Revuelto, the Huracan Successor's V8 is paired with an electric motor producing 147 horsepower and 221 pound-feet of torque. This motor is positioned between the engine and the 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, an axial-flux design favored by McLaren and Ferrari for its compactness. The new model will feature a 3-motor hybrid system, likely including motors for each front wheel. The world will get its first look at the Huracan Successor this August.